As the global pandemic accelerates digitalization, work has become borderless, with people working anywhere and everywhere. This has expanded today's attack surface and will continue to do so. The need to secure more devices, both corporate and personal, and to increase cyber vigilance and awareness in this new paradigm is now even more urgent. Now is the time to assess the current state of your incident responsibilities and identify what you should work on to improve when there is a cyber attack. Singtel has designed custom tabletop drill exercises that hone critical response competencies through simulated, realistic cyber emergencies, allowing us to test the standard operations procedure for cyber crisis with live cyber attack simulations, adopting a multidisciplinary approach for management and board, promoting a cyber-first culture with different modalities to engage the whole of organization, and gives us the ability to test and validate an organization's existing technology, infrastructure, and preparedness.
We want to develop hyper-realistic scenarios for organizations to practice their response on. This involves looking at the threat landscape that the organization operates in, as well as internally, how the organization's security posture is and what the digital assets are.
Responses to the scenarios will uncover whether roles are understood, communication lines are clear, procedures are available, and more. Most importantly, a virtual tabletop exercise is great at identifying questions that need answers, responsibilities that need owners, or processes that need developing.
We bring in practitioners, people that are expert in red team as well as blue team, to come in and coach participants and share best practices and real-life stories of how they have seen hackers attacking organizations and how other organizations have been responding. We bring in risk management experts. We bring in people that are very strong in comms and legal to come in and share from different perspectives of how do you manage a cyber crisis.
Virtual tabletop exercises can be conducted in physical or virtual classrooms, testing and training without real-world cyber stress and risks. Test your cyber readiness today.